Alright, today's adventure is digging stumps with an excavator. There's Pete down there, just arrived, and it's a nice cool day, at least in January, and we've been doing a bit of cleanup, but now it's time for Pete to come and dig some up for us. January 2022. We're having a bit of a clean-up day today. Just trying to pull out all the small stuff that is too small for machine, and just make a bit of room. Yeah, it's a fair bit of wood's been taken out now, so we can actually move around the site a little bit easier. Day on the block. This time it is stump removal. After bringing down quite a few trees, we've got a few stumps to pop out. Peter is into it, doing fairly well. Some of these big ones are a bit more time consuming. Peter's just working on probably the largest one that he's done so far. We'll go check it out. Oh fuck, he is a monster. Well, it's day 2 of, I don't know what to call this, but day 2 of, I guess, of Pete's second visit here with the excavator. So we had a bit of rain overnight and this morning, but yeah, we're just trying to clean up the site. Got another burn pile going, and Pete's got the grabs on moving stumps around, and Kate and I are cleaning up the site. We are at Log Central. Trying to dig this guy out. Big guy.